Hi everyone, I'm Nima Ramani, and here are the new California laws for 2024 that you need to know. First, police officers can no longer ask you, "Do you know why I stopped you?" They have to tell you why they're stopping you, and this law was put into place to prevent pretext stops. Big change for California renters. Landlords can now only charge 1 month of security deposit. Previously, they could charge 2 months if a unit was unfurnished or 3 months if a unit was furnished. This will allow renters to get into units without as much upfront cost. There's one benefit for homeowners. They can now build or sell an ADU, which is an accessory dwelling unit, separately like a condominium. That will hopefully allow more units into the housing market. There are a number of new changes that are going to protect California employees. The most significant of which is increase in paid sick days from 3 days to 5 days. Now, some cities in California already provide for more paid sick days, such as Los Angeles, so they won't be affected. But if you live in another city, you're going to get at least 2 additional days of paid sick pay. California employers also have to provide for 5 days of bereavement for anyone who suffers a miscarriage or other reproductive loss. And this applies to both parents, not just mom, but also dad. Also, your boss can no longer punish you or terminate you for using marijuana off the clock and off the job. Of course, you still can't use marijuana at the office, but now you're protected from using it at home. There's also a number of laws that have been put into place to protect Californians in response to the Supreme Court reversing Roe v. Wade. California doctors and pharmacists can't be prosecuted or fined for sending abortion pills out of state. And bounty hunters can't come into California to arrest doctors who perform abortions, even if those abortions violate other states' laws. And big tech and social media companies, they can't comply with out-of-state subpoenas trying to identify who in California is getting or giving an abortion. There's also a number of new laws to protect California consumers. And starting July, websites can no longer charge hidden fees. Everything has to be shown up front. So if you're buying a concert or sporting event ticket, a short-term rental or hotel, or you're ordering food delivery, all those fees have to be shown up front. Speaking of surprising fees, ambulance companies can no longer charge out-of-network fees if you have health insurance. So if you call 911, you don't know if the ambulance that shows up is going to be in-network or out-of-network. And many Californians were hit with very significant fees in the thousands of dollars. Now ambulance companies have to charge you like you were in-network for your health insurance. And the biggest change to California law, maybe the most controversial. California will be the first state to offer Medi-Cal or health insurance to all residents, regardless of age or immigration status. What do you think about the new changes to California's laws? Let me know in the comments below, and make sure to like, subscribe, and ring the bell for notifications.